Eduardo, we are here in the incredible Escaleras de Empedrado vineyard of Torres, which has to be pretty unique in the world and definitely quite unique here in Chile. Can you tell us all about this vineyard and why we're looking at this massive, incredible wall?
Yeah, Amanda, we are located here in Empedrado, which is a coastal area. We are very close to the sea.
In coastal Maule.
Yes, more or less 21 kilometers far away from the sea. So we have here incredible soils. We don't have in too much places that kind of soil. We have pizarra, which
slate.
is slates, exactly. Not schist,
not
slate,
schist.
exactly. So that type of soil, that type of rocks, gives to the wine some special characteristic in nose and mouth, are more mineral. So I think this is a very special place here in Chile.
Excellent. Can you tell me a bit about the formation of the soils?
Yeah, you see the piedra pizarra it was formed after two process, and we form the, let me show you, these amazing type of soil. Have different layers, minerals in between the layers, so the roots take time to go in depth. So this gives to the wine something special, very special.
Excellent. Can the vine roots actually go between these layers? The vine roots or raíces?
Yes. Depends the area that we have. You know that here in Empedrado we have 4 types of soils. So depending what area we are, it's what's the time that the roots need to go in depth. So normally it's around 3 or 4 years more than the normal. That if I have the same vineyards in alluvial soils, probably here it takes 4 more years going in depth.
And I'll pass you a glass of wine, mainly so that I can have a glass at the same time. But so your plants here, I mean, looking around the vineyard, they are, a lot smaller. They take a lot longer to grow. What else is kind of key to the growing conditions here, and why, did you decide it was great for Pinot Noir in particular?
Okay, the history here is clear. The family, Torres family, it was trying to find this kind of soil, the pizarra. From the beginning, they thought that was probably the soils that maybe Cariñena or Garnacha
like
works exactly like Priorat. But after many years of research, we realized that not was the best place for reds like Cabernet Sauvignon, like Garnacha, Cariñena, because it's too cold. We have a lot of influence from the sea. We have a lot of winds, each 2 times per week, a lot of wind. It's cold, so Pinot Noir, it was the variety that showed the best quality.
Excellent. And as you said, the pizarra, the slate, gives you a very different kind of texture to the wine. Can you talk me a bit about, now you've been making wine here for 4 years, 4 vintages. What do you think is kind of property of these pizarra slate soils in the expression of the Pinot Noir?
It's a mix in the soil. It's not only the rock, it's obviously the climate, but also the soil that have above the rocks. In that area that I have, for example, more clay, the wines are more round. Okay, but if I have less soil, less clay, I have only rocks, the extraction of the wine are bigger. I have more structure, so probably this kind of wines I have to wait more the time. Probably to be better or not, I don't know, but
just different.
Exactly, just different. Yes.
Excellent. And this is everything's planted here on terraces. Is this quite a hard vineyard to work?
Yes, this 2021, I think it was a very good vintage. I'm very happy because it was a cool vintage. We can go wait for the maturity, for ripeness. We have now incredible acidity, the freshness. So I think we are lucky this year.
Okay, excellent. And this is, this is another, I mean, in terms of challenges, you also get a lot of frost here. Can you tell me a bit about those?
Yes.
Those risks?
I think this is one of the places in Chile that we have more frost. This year we had seven days,
Frost events.
Yes, events, but with -6.5.
Woo, that's cold.
Yes. So the system to avoid the frost, got frost also.
Oh
So,
no! Oh no!
Yeah.
So how much did you lose this year to frost?
I think it's around 10%. 10% of the production.
This is a real labour of love. This vineyard, big investment, a lot of work, but an incredible soil profile. I think the wines, are really starting to show us the potential of what Escalera de Empedrado is going to be in the end. When do what are the most exciting vintages? We're tasting the 218, which is quite delicious at the moment. What for you are the vintages to kind of look out for of these last couple of years?
Yeah, the vintages that for me show in the best way the quality, the potential that we have here in Escaleras de Empedrado is the 2013. It was considered a cool vintage because you can feel the earthy character, herbs, and the extraction of the wine, obviously. And also for me, 18. But 18 is more elegant, more finesse in the wine. So if I mix both, the result is probably the result that I would like to have.
But no hints for the future, 2019, 20, 21, 22?
We have to wait.
And see. Okay, we'll wait. And in the meantime, we'll enjoy this delicious 18.
Thank you very much, Amanda.
Thank you.
Cheers, sir.